Welcome to Civil Engineering Tips.
Engineering has played a pivotal role in shaping human civilization, leaving an indelible mark from ancient times to the present day. Early engineers constructed awe-inspiring monuments like the Pyramids of Egypt and the Roman Aqueducts, demonstrating remarkable ingenuity and ambition. As societies advanced, the development of roads and bridges enabled trade, communication, and cultural exchange on an unprecedented scale. In the modern era, towering skyscrapers and dams stand as testaments to human innovation and our ability to reshape the environment. These engineering achievements not only provide essential infrastructure, but also influence how communities grow and interact. Today's megastructures continue to push the boundaries of what is possible, reflecting the enduring impact of civil engineering on the world we inhabit. Engineers play a crucial role in shaping the built environment, taking responsibility for designing, analyzing, and constructing structures like buildings, bridges, and essential infrastructure. Their expertise ensures that these structures are not only functional, but also safe and reliable. To achieve this, civil engineers rely on advanced tools such as AutoCAD for drafting precise plans, ETABS for structural analysis, and level machines for accurate site inspections and marking. These technologies help maintain strict standards of precision throughout every stage of a project. By meticulously overseeing each detail, civil engineers help prevent structural failures and protect the lives of those who use these facilities every day.
Ancient civilizations demonstrated extraordinary skill in civil engineering, leaving behind structures that still captivate us today. The Egyptian pyramids, with their precise alignment and massive stone blocks, showcase remarkable planning and labor. Roman aqueducts, constructed with arches and durable materials, transported water over vast distances, fueling the growth of cities. Greek temples, such as the Parthenon, combined aesthetic beauty with advanced understanding of geometry and proportion. The Great Wall of China, stretching thousands of miles, stands as a testament to collective effort and defensive ingenuity. Meanwhile, the city of Mohenjo-Daro featured an advanced drainage system, reflecting a sophisticated approach to urban sanitation. These achievements highlight the innovative techniques and materials enabled ancient societies to build enduring monuments, many of which continue to inspire awe and admiration today.
Poorly engineered structures can have devastating consequences. Collapsed buildings and failed bridges are often the result of inadequate design, substandard materials, or shortcuts taken during construction. Landslides and sinking houses may occur when foundations are not properly assessed or reinforced, leading to instability. Cracks in walls can signal deeper structural issues that, if ignored, may escalate into catastrophic failures. Unsafe construction practices not only compromise the integrity of buildings, but also put countless lives at risk, especially during natural disasters such as earthquakes. Safe, resilient structures. Their work ensures that communities are protected from preventable tragedy. Engineers are at the forefront of transforming ambitious ideas into tangible landmarks. Projects like the Burj Khalifa, long-span bridges, and underwater tunnels showcase their ability to overcome immense technical challenges. By leveraging advanced materials, cutting-edge construction techniques, and powerful design software, engineers push the boundaries of what is possible. Innovations such as smart cities and high-speed expressways further illustrate how integrated systems and real-time data can enhance urban living. Scientific research continues to drive progress, enabling safer, more efficient, and more sustainable infrastructure. Through
Modern engineers use powerful tools like AutoCAD, ETABS, STAAD Pro, total stations, and drones to ensure accuracy. Every measurement, every calculation, every reinforcement detail plays a critical role in safety. Everything around us, roads, homes, schools, offices, water supply, drainage systems, exists because of civil engineers. Without them, cities would collapse into chaos. Engineers designed for safety against earthquakes, floods, storms, soil failure, and other natural forces. Civil engineering protects millions of lives every single day. Subscribe Engineering Tips channel for more update.